Alright, well that's your boy over here at work. I mainly build these and set them up and the breakdown of it, but we're open right now. We're here in Melbourne at the Flemington Race Course. It's, I think, the 3rd, possibly the 2nd. Yeah, Saturday, January 3rd, second weekend open. But I'll give you guys a quick walk around of the park right now, what we got, what it consists of. On the weekends when we're open, I'm mainly on like maintenance and safety crew on stuff, just because, I mean, it's all built already, but do a quick walk around.
And we'd spar and we'd laugh, and the night would just go on and on. For the rest of my life, that memory will stay. Man, fuck, that was a good time. I don't feel alright for you. I don't feel alright for you. I don't feel everything was perfect. We can jump around to the sound of the music. When you feel it, the bass coming through the tremolo, passages just seem to go real slow. And this is what I want, and this is what you get. Come and share a talk for all our times we reconnect. From the start into these beds, we all wonder where we head. Being clever never sweat your breath, forever has no way.
I think they got like little desert dogs and shit.
That's me, left the mall like a little bit ago. I'm driving back, but they got a shit ton of palm trees over here. I didn't expect there was that many over here, especially me being from California. We even had palm trees in our yard as well. We still kind of do. That's your boy over here in Melbourne right now. Let's show that shit out. I got it on DJ mode. So yeah, I haven't heard this song before. So I mean, it could be a banger, but yeah, that's me in Melbourne right now, over here in Victoria. On my way over to dance class right now. So, don't know if I'll be able to record in there or not. If I am, you'll see it. If I can't, let you know when I'm done. Good, how are you doing? I am for the adult hip hop, and it's my first one with you guys.
Amazing. Well, welcome. That's very exciting. I'll just be 1 moment.
Alright.
It was hip hop, wasn't it?
Yes, the beginner one.
What was it?
Jared, Jarod.
Amazing. Well, welcome to the space, Jared. That's
Thank
very
you.
exciting. We'll be in the drum room today.
Alright.
So just head down the stairs and turn right, and it's going to be the one tucked up in the right-hand corner.
Okay, and then I just want to know if it's okay. I have a camera that records me like a POV right here. Is that okay?
You'll have to double check with the
With them?
teacher
Okay.
and the people in the classes.
Alright.
And just make sure that no one else is captured in the video that they don't want to be in.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
No worries at all. Have a good class.
Thanks.
I don't feel afraid of you. I don't feel afraid of you.
Alright, so that's me done in there. Trying to hurry up and get back to the car because I'm only supposed to be able to park there for an hour, and it's been a little over an hour. So I already got one ticket like my first 3 days here. Don't really want another one, so let's try and get there quick. Hopefully there's not one. Success, boys. No ticket. At least so far. My bad, I just realized I said success, boys. Let me redo that. Success, boys and girls. Let them both know. But as you could probably tell, I didn't really record there inside the dance studio. There were a couple people, toward the end, they took out their phones, to sort of go over our final routine, but I didn't really want to take this out, hook it on me. It would get more in the way, really, if anything. But that's us leaving now. Probably get another one if I'm able to, if I got the time. So maybe I'll be able to record that one. Yeah, it does sound a little shit.
No, but even plugging it in.
Fuck with you. Bend over and hold
That's
this.
last, so yeah, right here in the elevator.
Come on, Richie, hit it like this.
Alright, well, I'm still here in Melbourne, but we did change rooms. Me and my boy Richie are rooming together in here. It's a lot smaller than the other one. There's more like apartment style, but it's more no longer separate rooms and like that. It's a lot smaller, pretty much. Not as cool. Even bathroom smaller. No oven in this one, and no dishwasher, but it's whatever. Haven't been doing too well recording. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better on that. Last night we went out. We had some fun. Had some stuff. My boy Richie, he's out right now. He went snuck into a concert to go see someone he's been missing out on seeing. But yeah, we went out. There's a lot of funny shit that happened. Should have recorded some of it. One, we were in this McDonald's, right? There's a homeless guy sitting across from us, and I got like a 20-piece nuggets, and I'm trying to hurry up and finish eating it because I think I got a little too much food, and because we're trying to go and get some, keep going out. It's like midnight or so at this point, maybe a little bit later. And so I'm sharing some with like the some guy next to me I ended up talking to, and the homeless guy is across from us. He's like laughing his ass off, and we're kind of like, I don't know why at first, because I'm trying not really like make eye contact with him, like stare at him, and like look at him like while he's laughing, until like eventually I kind of like see what he's starting to do. And so next to that homeless guy, there's like a group of like some people, and the girl was throwing up, right? And and so he's pretty slick with it too, because like he didn't get caught and they didn't know what he was doing. So he's like crumbling up his trash. He's like overhead throwing it, and he's like hitting them and shit. And so I start laughing because I'm starting to like see it, and they don't know who's doing it or what's going on, because like he's really like clever with it. And now the guy next to me is laughing, my friend's laughing, I'm laughing, the homeless guy is laughing, and they don't know like what's going on. But that's one of the things that was happening out of all that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do a little bit better recording for y'all. Yeah, that's it pretty much. So yeah, because we've been here like 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks now, and I haven't been recording too much of what I've been doing. So I'm trying to pick that up. So yeah, since we switched rooms, we gotta come to this bathroom like place to do laundry now.